TNA Group is proud to present our new product, Nutri Tabble Mix, an innovative effervescent micronutrient tablet. Most farmers that use foliar fertilizers will face certain problems and issues, especially when using water-soluble fertilizers. We will show some of the problems that farmers can face. Most farmers have no accurate way to measure weight in the field. They must estimate the dosage. Overdosing can be dangerous to the crop. It can cause, for example, leaf burning. Applying too much fertilizer that crops cannot absorb is a waste of money and resources. On the other hand, underdosage of fertilizer can cause nutrient deficiencies, especially with micronutrients. Underdosage of fertilizer can cause decreased yields due to a lack of critical nutrients in the crop. The high pH value or alkalinity of the solution in the tank mix can decrease the performance of agrochemicals and nutrients. Weighing and measuring powder or liquid fertilizers in the field can be difficult and inaccurate, leading to over and under dosage problems. Many powder and crystal fertilizers are difficult to dissolve. It takes time and labor while often not dissolving completely, so that residue remains in the tank. To solve these issues, TNA Group presents Nutri Tabble Mix, Effervescent Tablet Micronutrients, a perfect combination of nutrients combined with pH regulating and stabilization technology. In the following part, we will show you how Nutri Tabble solves these issues. Every Nutri Tabble Mix tablet is 5 grams. No weighing or measuring is required to achieve the optimal dosage in every spray, thus saving time and cost. Nutri Tabble Mix contains a pH agent that regulates and stabilizes the pH level in the tank mix. The pH level of the solution is very important for the efficacy of nutrients and agrochemicals. Nutri Tabble Mix will adjust the pH level in the tank mix to an optimal level for foliar spraying. Nutri Tabble Mix tablets are 100% soluble and quick to dissolve. There's no need for stirring. This will save time and energy for the farmer, while also guaranteeing every bit of product is absorbable and available to the crops when sprayed. TNA Group is proud to introduce Nutri Tabble Mix, a 2-in-1 effervescent tablet that contains the perfect combination of nutrients combined with pH regulation and stabilization technology. The convenient 5-gram tablet guarantees a perfect dosage everywhere, every time. We hope you enjoyed this presentation. For more information about this product, please visit our website or contact us directly.